Thanks for stopping in today. My name is Jessica Ventigli. Today we're going to look at the 2024 Isuzu NRR Gas Switch and Go. If you want to come around the inside, I'll go over a little bit about the details of the truck. So again, this is the 2024. This is a gas motor, so it's a 6.6 liter GM with a automatic Allison transmission. It's a 1000. It is 19.5 GVW. The overall weight of this truck is a little over 9,000 pounds without the body, so you have about 10,000 pounds available payload, give or take whatever body you decide to do. Inside, you'll notice that it has the 7-inch Alpine touchscreen backup camera. It is iPhone equipped and for Apple and Android CarPlay. Automatic transmission, air conditioning, power windows and locks. It is a 350 horsepower motor. We do have it set up with a trailer brake. And then if you want to take another moment, power windows, locks and cruise is all standard. If you want to take a moment, we'll hop on the outside and I'll go over the equipment that we paired up and upfitted on the back. Thank you for checking out the inside with me. On the outside, we have this 150-inch wheelbase truck outfitted with a 12-foot switch and go unit. It is an electric unit. It is a 15,000-pound hoist, the cable. We also have the Roll-Rite electric tarp, which you can open and close with a key fob or with the buttons that are right here on the side of the tower. And then with the switch and go unit, of course, they do have multiple beds available. This particular truck comes with this 12-foot container, which you'll see right here. We do also have additional containers in stock. We have flatbeds, masons, and we could also custom order any trucks that you would need. We also have this truck set up to tow for the most part with a pintle. You can put a receiver, you can put a pintle hook, you can put a pintle combo, whatever works best for you. And we also have it set up with the 7-pin trailer brake or for the trailer lights connection as well. So if you have any questions on this particular truck, the operations or anything, please let me know. If you have any other desires, we can upfit anything that you need. We can make hook lifts, dump trucks, switch and goes, box trucks, anything you need, we can probably do it. I have over 150 chassis and available trucks in stock. We also offer financing. And one more thing before I go, there's currently a $1,000 manufacturer's rebate off for the switch and go unit itself. So if you decide you wanted to move forward, we could also apply that as well. If you have any questions, again, my name is Jessica Ventigli here with TruckSmart, and my phone number is 267-394-3223. Thanks for stopping in today.